Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this crypto wallet, which is Casa Wallet. So to get started with a quick review, Casa Wallet is a high-security Bitcoin wallet designed for users who want serious protection through multi-signature setup. It spreads your private keys across multiple devices and locations, reducing single point of failures. Casa also offers a smooth user experience, excellent customer support, and built-in features for inheritance planning, making it ideal for long holdouts. However, Casa is not for casual users. It only supports Bitcoin, has no support for other coins, and its premium plan can be expensive. While its service is secure and reliable, it's best suited for people holding large amount of BTC. If you are a beginner or just want a simple wallet, you might find Casa too complex or pricey in 2025. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this crypto wallet. And that's it.